Welcome back. Let's do a quick exercise before we actually create our own stacks and queues, because JavaScript doesn't have its own stack or queues data structure. Now, I mentioned that there's two ways that we can build stacks and queues. If we talk about stacks, we can think of it as our browser history. Let's say we visit Google first, then we visit udemy.com, and then we visit, let's say, YouTube. In a stack, because Google was the first item, it would actually be placed on the stack like this. Then we go to Udemy, so we'd be placed on this stack on top, and then we go to YouTube. Now, if we want to go to a new website, let's say we go to Twitter, but then we decided, no, that's not what I wanted to do. I want to go back. Well, we remove Twitter, press back button on our browser, and we get to YouTube. If we press back again, we get to Udemy, and then back again, we go back to Google. So stacks has a top and a bottom, and we can build it with either arrays or linked lists. My question to you is, why would we want to build stacks with arrays? That is, we'll create a class of stacks that has the data being held in arrays versus using linked lists, and vice versa. Think about that. What about queues? Let's say we have a queue. I'm creating a waitlist app. And in here, we have a couple of people that want to get on the waitlist. The first person that shows up is Tim. And then after Tim, or you know what? Let's use our names. Let's use Matt. And then Matt shows up, but all of a sudden, Joy comes and lines up. And then perhaps we have Samir that comes and waits in line, and then we have Pavel. In this case, we want Matt to be first, then Joy, then Samir, then Pavel. And with queues, we can once again use arrays and linked lists to implement it. Which one do you think would be better for queues? Is there one better, or are they both equal? I want you to think about this. In the next video, I'm going to answer this for you, but I recommend taking time to think about what you know about arrays and linked lists and how they might benefit or might not benefit stacks and queues. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.